That's true, as you see a shot right at the corner for Aragala. I mean, we know that out of the many teams we have in the PBL, the crossovers have had so many additions in the off-season. That includes their team, the Cool Smashers, Michelle Gumabao, surprised, saying. So it's back to a 2-point game. Nice hit there by Michelle Gumabao. We have 6 set points meta. And remember, we talked about this as we give you another angle of the Zakarandang shot. The last 2 games across the Cool Smashers won in straight for Pangs Panaga. Picar goes to Aya Laure for the finish. And there it is.
Lang Aya Laure, even the middles, everyone just reads the set. So let's see if this momentum continues for Cherry Tigo. For the Cherry Tigo crossovers, I mean, Kyle Negrito has tried everything. Talagang opposite setting yung ginagawa niya. Left and right pin. She's been setting them up. Palit-palitan para mapagod yung blockers nitong...
Running attack, Maranyo. There's another dig from Carlos. 1-2 play for the Genierva.
Kyle Negrito taking back.
Gemma Galanza rejected, and that's not going to be good enough. Just into her own hands on an option play. Drops it for the point.
You gotta commend Kyle Negrito kasi alam niya talaga kailan gagawin yan. Sometimes
it's a roll.
Genierva, she's been digging all out against Galanza, but on that 4th try.
Creamline versus Cherry Tigo, semifinals round. Game preview, May 4, 2024, 4 p.m. Who will win the match?